Okay, so in this video we will be discussing NumPy tutorial number 18, and in this tutorial it's time to discuss random permutation. Now what does it mean, how to use random permutation within NumPy array? So random permutations of elements. A permutation refers to an arrangement of elements. Suppose we have this array and it has three elements starting from 3 to 1. It is a permutation of 1, 2, 3. So this is the original array, and after implementing permutation, and it is randomly generated the permutation of this original array from 3 to 1, and vice versa. We will see practically. The NumPy random module provides two methods for this. One is shuffle. Okay, let me run it. I made a mistake. One is shuffle, the second is permutation. Both of these two methods are used for permutation of array elements. But what is the difference? We will see in the end of this video, because it is very important part of this tutorial, that what is the difference between shuffle and permutation if they are both used for permutation of elements. So shuffling arrays, shuffle means changing arrangement of element in place in the array itself. Okay, let's see practically. So first we will implement shuffle, then we will implement permutation. So first thing first, import numpy as np, then from numpy import random module, and this from numpy before there should be import what random, and run it. So we have imported numpy, and from numpy we imported random. So let's create an array with the help of numpy array function. Let's say we have 1, 2, 3 elements. Now what will happen if I say that random dot shuffle, and I'll pass the array. So I am going to shuffle this array. So let me print this error, and it will give me 2, 1, 3. What happened here? First we have 1, 2, 3. After shuffling, it's changed the values. So it's randomly changed the arrangement of the original array. What will happen if I run it again? It will again rearrange your array randomly. Again it will be 2, 3, 1. If I run it again, it will be randomly rearranged 3, 2, 1. So each time you run, it will randomly rearrange the elements of your array. So this is shuffle. Now what is shuffle in NumPy? Let's see theoretically. With the help of numpy.random.shuffle method, we can get the random positioning of different integers values in the NumPy array. Or we can say that all the values in an array will be shuffled randomly, as we have seen already. So the syntax for it will be, you can directly say that numpy.random.shuffle, or first you need to, if you have imported random, then you can directly use it as a random.shuffle and then the array, and it will return the shuffle NumPy array. Okay, so let's do the same thing with permutation. Now first we need to discuss that what is permutation, that we will do a practical example. So a permutation refers to an arrangement of elements as shuffle, but this time what will happen? This is the same array 1, 2, 3, and after using permutation function, it will do the same work as shuffle. It will randomly rearrange your array, such as you can see right here, 3, 2, 1, and vice versa. So the NumPy random module provides two methods for the shuffle and permutation. Now what is the difference? We will see, but first implement. Now let me create here an array with the help of np array function. Let's say this time we have 1, 2, 3, 4 elements. Okay, I will directly print, and within print I will use random dot permutation tab, and it will automatically suggest me permutation, and I will pass array, and I will press shift and enter. Now as you can see, we have 2, 4, 3, 1, 3, and it has randomly permutated, or you can say arrange, are this original array 1 2 3 4, and here you can see 2 4 1 3. But if I run it again, what will happen? It will, this time it will rearrange randomly, as you can see 1 4 2 3. If I run it again, it will be like this 2 3 1 4. So listen to me very carefully. It's mean that whenever we want to change the position of an array elements, we can use two functions that belongs to random module of NumPy. One is shuffle, the other is permutation. They do the same work. They return the same result. They change the position of any existing array elements. But what is the difference if they work same? So let's discuss the difference. The difference is that the permutation method returns a rearranged array and leaves the original array unchanged. It's mean when we implement permutation method on any array, and it will return us the rearranged array, but the original array doesn't affect. Okay, it will not changed. See, we will see it. This method will keep the original array intact and will return a shuffled array. For example, if we have this array 1 4 2 8 is the original array, and the permutation method will return the rearranged array. Let's say it has returned 8 4 1 2. Now you have two arrays, original array and the rearranged array. Okay, because after using permutation, it will rearrange the array, but the original array will be same, it will not change. In the other hand, the shuffle method makes changes to the original array as well. For example, if we have this array and after implementing shuffle method, it will return array. Let's say we have add 4 1 2 after shuffling, but the original array itself got changed to the shuffle array, and you are only left with a shuffled array. So this is the difference. So I hope that you got the main point and the difference between these two methods. Otherwise they are same and they do the same work. So see you in the next video.